Meteorologist Chris Haddings here once again. Give you the latest on the expected winter weather and much colder temperatures coming in. So if I take a look at those temperatures, now this is the difference in low temperatures between Friday night and Tuesday night when we expect it to get really cold. So temperatures will be dropping like a rock. Got another rock here. I don't need that one though. Ooh! That wasn't good. I gotta clean that mess up. I'll be right back. Well, I finally got that mess cleaned up. That wasn't very good. In any case, you can see it turning much colder, especially the further east you go. Another thing we want to look at, this is winds. Strong winds coming into the north first and then spreading north to south across the area. Wind gusts maybe to 40, 45. Some of these, again, might be a little bit too slow, maybe 45 around Buffalo, Greenville, maybe even Riverton, especially once the front blows through. Not high winds by any means. We're not looking for anything that will blow trucks over, but it will be enough to blow that snow around and make visibility quite low at times. So as we look at timing for these things, no real change here. It's going to go north to south, coming into the north during the morning hours, sliding further south to the afternoon and the evening. Now, if you're looking for time to get things done, the north, it'll come in the morning. If you're anywhere south to say about a KC to Warland to Thermopolis line, you should be okay during the morning hours. I-80 should be dry during all the daylight hours, though, coming in at night there. Maximum impacts across the north will be during the afternoon hours, central areas during the evening, then later at night as you head down toward I-80. So our confidence level, it's going to get much colder. This is basically 100% here. Gusty winds, very high chance of that as well. Also blowing snow, especially later in the day toward the evening hours. Slick roads, flash freeze, high chance of that. Probably will be a little bit of rain on the outside of this, then rapidly falling temperatures, snow on top of that. Roads could get quite slick at times if they're not treated properly. And snowfall amounts, still uncertainty with this. Some of the models still disagree at times. But the big thing with this, don't think whether you get 2 or 4 inches is going to make a huge difference, because it's the impacts here are the big deal. We'll take a look at that in just a minute. Becoming windy, that'll combine with the rain changing to snow. 2 big impacts. Snow and blowing snow, that'll reduce visibility, especially Saturday afternoon into Saturday morning. And also flash freeze likely, especially later Saturday afternoon into the evening hours. Once the sun goes down, you lose the heating of the day. And finally, much colder temperatures Saturday night into Sunday, maybe lows dropping below 0 Tuesday morning. That's in the populated areas, not just the valleys where no one really lives. And you want to know how much snow we're going to get. These are down a little bit from what it was yesterday. Highest amounts, Casper, Lander, 4 to 6 inches there, about 2 to 3 around Riverton, Thermopolis, a little bit more around Buffalo. Those of you west of the Divide, about 1 to 3 anywhere along I-80, more higher amounts as you head out toward Wamsutter and Rollins. And then this area, generally about 1 to 3 inches depending on where the band's set up. And the mountains obviously seeing more, could be locally up to a foot, especially across the Bighorns, the Wind Rivers, and the Absarokas. Here's our usual resources for weather, road conditions, and our webcams by route. Be safe, everybody, and have a great weekend.